Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can create free cinematic WebAR and ShowCAST right now. So you go to studio.worldcast.io and just click on this button right in the middle, start creating, pick ShowCAST, select freemium, give it a title, so we'll just call this cinematic, and we'll just tell it since this is absolute scale, we'll just give it a rough idea of how big we're going to go. So let's go 6 feet. And let's just go create. I'm going to go to Sketchfab. You can upload one of your own models, but in this case, I'm just going to go Sketchfab. And I'm just going to type in model. I already know it looks good. I'm just going to go show animate it and leave on show only free. I'm going to go droid, PKS, I believe it was. Models with PBR look fantastic in the system. It wasn't called droid PKS. LKS. So let's just go import. We're going to tell the droid the size we want it to be in reality. So this is how you design for reality to make things at scale, absolute scale in the environment. Not relative. We're going to be using the environment to our benefit for, well, let's just wait till it comes in here and I'll show you. All right, so we have it in the system right now. I'm just going to select the object. I'm going to tell it I want to be about maybe 2 feet wide. So let's make sure it's on feet. It is. You can drop down between meters, centimeters, feet, and inches, depending on your units of measurement that you want to use. I'm going to tell us I want it to be maybe 4 feet off the ground. And I'm going to go save. I'm going to go save and publish. I'm going to share my iPhone screen here. I'm going to scan that QR code. Just 1 second. There we go. I'm just going to scan that QR code. We're going to open up that link, and this could be this is output to Android and iOS at the same time. So we're good to go that way. So we can see the screen. I'm just going to maximize it. All right. I'm just going to go tap and place in my space. Scan the room a bit, just get some, there we go. And now we have a great looking model in reality. Let's just put it landscape. Okay. So it's 2 feet wide and it's 4 feet off the ground. Now I can take this over and put it somewhere else. I could scale, I could pinch and zoom, make it smaller. So you can put it in areas that might make it look more, make sense, right? Of course, it has a shadow underneath it. And you can film it in the environment. To get effects. Now let me show you how fast it is to add other content to the scene. Maybe we want to add some 3D text or another model. I'm just going to go create text. I'm simply going to go, this is text. And make it maybe a blue color. We'll go OK. I'm just going to come over to the transform controls. And you can just grab one of these nodes and it'll snap in 45-degree increments. So I'm going to go twice to make it 90 degrees. I'm just going to bring it up underneath the object. And I'm going to make it maybe, go back and pick the blue color that I didn't pick earlier. And maybe we'll make it a little bit more bold. There's lots of different fonts you can choose from. In this case, I'm happy with that just for this quick demo. You can place it wherever you want. Obviously, I've shown that. Let's just make it a little bit smaller. And maybe we'll put it over to the side, actually. And let's just go save. All I'm going to do this time is refresh the browser. And now it has the text in the preview. I'm simply going to place it in the environment again. That's how easy it is to add augmented reality or objects and place it in WebAR for Android and iOS. And if you have an iPhone with a LiDAR in it, you can do this. Hand in front, hand in back. Or even yourself. Let's just try and get the right angle here. There we go. That is how easy it is to create quick, fast, and free WebAR. If you want to get more views than 500 a month, then pay $10 and upgrade to the premium cast and get more and get analytics and a bunch of other cool stuff. But that's the free version of ShowCAST, and I can't wait to see what you create as always.